Hi, I'm Nikki, Neff Ambassador, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the oven door in order to clean the glass in your Neff oven. Please ensure you follow all of the safety precautions in your Neff manual. Open the left and right hinge lock. To do this, push the hinge lock fully upwards on both sides with a screwdriver. Open the appliance door a little and using a coin, fully turn both the left and right hand locks on the inside of the appliance at the bottom. For the left hand lock, turn clockwise. For the right hand lock, turn anti-clockwise. Close the appliance door a little until you feel the locks engage. The door can no longer be closed at this point. Lift the door handle slightly on the left and right hand side using both thumbs and pull the appliance door out and upwards. Lay the appliance door front side facing down on an even, soft and clean surface. To remove the glass, push on the left and right hand side of the outside of the appliance door until the inner glass is released on both sides. Carefully lift the inner glass and remove it. You want to move it away from the door handle.